guys, peeps, creative peeps. So I'm going to show you, this is a mold that I've got, and it leaves a really interesting imprint. Here's what I've done in green, and the bottom ends up beautiful. Here's one I did in blue. So this is a very quick video. I will try to remember where I got this mold. And this one I'm going to do in gold using the Let's Resin Bright Gold mica powder. And I've mixed up 8 ounces of resin. I'm just going to pour it in. And let that spread to the outsides. Just like that. Help it spread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this to set almost completely, but I can still kind of manipulate the form, because I'm then going to put it in, one of those silver mixing bowls, and to create the shape. So just make sure everything's up to the edge. I think gold one's going to be really pretty. Get in that little cavity. Make sure all the little cavities are filled. Okay. That looks fabulous. And obviously my table is flat. So I'm not sure what these swirls are going to look like, if they're going to settle down. Now I will get my torch and pop the air bubbles. And I can just kind of bang it a bit. Get some more air bubbles coming up. There's a bunch. And just in case it does leave some kind of pattern in the gold, you could make your own shape. Your own pattern. Which will move, obviously. Resin does what resin does. It has a mind of its own. Let's just do a swirl in the middle. Okay, so we're going to leave that sit for about maybe 5 hours, and then I'll come back and show you how I put it in the bowl. Okay. See you later. It's dried now and it's still flexible. I left it for about 7 hours. So now I'm going to take my metal bowl and take this out of its mold. And what I've done to the metal bowl, I'll show you in a sec, is, so this is the underside. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see if I can show you better. And that's the top side. What I did to the bowl was I marked it inside. My lights are really bad. It's the evening. I should have done this in the day. But I marked it inside so I can absolutely get it centered. I stole this from my kitchen and it's staying with me now. So then I get my bowl mold and I press it down. I'm following the guidelines of my markings. Now it wants to spring straight back up, but I'm not going to let it do that. I'm going to put something heavy in it. Let's see, is that all even? Yep, that's pretty much centered. I'm going to put something really heavy in it so it's going to stay there. See, it's springing straight up, but it will stay. I've got a jar of crystals here, so I'm going to push it down again. Make sure that it's even all around. And then put my crystals in. And then I can go around the outside and just flatten those curves that are curling up. So that's it. And we'll come back when it's completely set in this position. Good morning, everybody. I decided to leave this overnight to completely set solid. So let me take off my weights that I put down and bring out my bowl. And there it is, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm glad I'm doing this in the daylight because then you can see that the markings are shiny and the rest is matte. So thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye.